Can you say your alphabet, Clem?
E, B, E, Y, P, O.
Good job. Do you want to say it together?
Yeah,
Okay. Should we say it together?
yeah,
Are you ready?
yeah. B,
Okay, here, I'll help you, okay? A,
I,
B,
B,
C,
T,
D,
T,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
K,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
D,
K,
D,
K,
D,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
B,
no, Q,
V,
Q.
Boom.
There you go. R,
O,
S,
At,
no, S,
T,
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 U,
V,
no, U,
no, me,
V,
B,
W,
B,
W,
B,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z,
Y,
Z,
Y,
Z,
Y,
Z.
G.
Good job, Clem.
Yay!